Hi everyone, this is Satyam and welcome to EduArtpedia. तो आप में से बहुत सारे लोग मुझे जानते होंगे पहले से because I run another channel by the name of Satyam Vlogs and I may be unknown to many people. So my name is Satyam and I'm an MBA graduate and I'm a biotechnologist and I belong to a convent school with an ICSE background. So I have taken this initiative and I have started this channel EduArtpedia in order to help you guys learn to speak fluent English. एंड हम सब जानते हैं कि हमारी सोसाइटी में काफ़ी ज़्यादा फस क्रिएटेड है इस लैंग्वेज को लेके. बहुत सारे लोग प्रॉपर इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं जानते हैं और इस वजह से काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेजिटेट करते हैं उन लोगों से बात करने में जिनको कि बहुत अच्छे से इंग्लिश बोलनी आती है या फिर जो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लुएंट हैं. और ऐसे भी बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो कि पब्लिक स्पीकिंग से डरते हैं अगर वहाँ इंग्लिश में बोलना हो और इंटरव्यू से डरते हैं अगर इंटरव्यू इंग्लिश में हो तो वो कैसे अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करेंगे, एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनको प्रॉपरली इंग्लिश में अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करना, एक्सप्रेस करना, अपनी बातों को कहना, अपनी बातों को सामने वाले तक कम्युनिकेट करना, पहुंचाना नहीं आता है. सो we have to break all the shackles and all the barriers and we have to learn proper and perfect English and we have to speak it fluently. So are you ready to learn English along with me? So in order to learn perfect English, the first thing that we have to do is to talk in English. Like this is a very improper way that you speak in Hindi, understand in Hindi and then try to speak in English. This method won't work in the long run. So you should try to speak in Hindi. You should try to speak in English, however broken be it, however crooked be it. You have to speak in English, understand in English, think in English and then speak in English. So in all my videos, the mode of communication will be mostly English. At some places here and there, I'll be explaining some of the things in Hindi, but mostly things will be in English. So you try to figure out, try to understand the things which I am saying and I'll be speaking the sentences slowly and slowly to you such that you grasp each and every word that I speak and I'll try to make things crystal clear for you all such that you understand it perfectly. And my only goal is to make you all understand the concept of English and to enable you all to speak perfect and fluent English with confidence. So the only thing that you have to do here is to focus on all the things that I'm saying and try to understand them. In case you have any doubts, confusions, queries, feel free to post that in the comment section. I'll address them individually like I do in my other channel where I usually deal in car driving tutorial videos. So here also if you post your queries, your confusions, any video suggestions, I'll be looking into them individually. You don't have to worry on that. And yes, every day I'll be telling you 5 new words of English at the beginning of every video and those 5 words of English with their meanings will be really helpful to you to enhance your vocabulary. So you should make a diary of vocabulary and every day the 5 words which I'll be telling you, you should note them down with their meaning and try to use them throughout the day. Like speak those words in the form of sentences to your colleagues, to your friends, to your spouse, to your siblings, to your parents, to yourself. Talking to ourselves is also very important and it's one of the most important part of learning or gaining fluency in any language. You need to speak those things to yourself again and again, again and again, and in such a way you will be able to, master that particular language and speak really fluently. So I'll begin every day's video with 5 new English words and after the words I'll be telling you the meaning and then I'll deal with one topic every day such that slowly and gradually you will see a difference. You will be able to speak fluently, and the speed and the confidence will increase, and that will be definitely reflected in your personality. So let's begin today's video, and let's begin with those 5 English words which I want to tell you. So the first word is formidable. Formidable, Formidable. So formidable means powerful, intense, capable. Right? This is the first word of today's video. Now the second word is jaded. Jaded. It means bored or lacking enthusiasm. The third word is charismatic. Charismatic. It means charming, fascinating. Fourth word is nerd. Nerd. It means a foolish, boring, studious person who lacks social skills. And the fifth word is unflinching. It means not showing fear or hesitation in the face of danger. Now, you can write down these 5 words along with their meaning as I have written here. And you need to learn the words along with the meaning and use them in different kinds of sentences day to day, such that these words will be permanent in your brain, and whenever you are forming any sentence, think of these words and form those sentences. So after learning these 5 new words of today, let's move on to the next thing. So in today's video, I also want to tell you how you can initiate conversation with the other person. हमें दूसरे इंसान से जब बातचीत शुरू करनी होती है तो हम अपनी बातचीत को कैसे शुरू कर सकते हैं. कई बार हम में से कई लोग हेजिटेट कर जाते हैं अगर हमें इंग्लिश में बात करना हो किसी दूसरे इंसान से, और अगर हिंदी में करना हो तो हम बहुत कंफर्टेबल होते हैं. हमें लगता है कि ओके ये तो हम आसानी से कर लेंगे. So the similar feeling should come when you have to communicate in English. And English बोलने समय भी कोई hesitation नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो जब भी हम हिंदी में बातचीत कम्युनिकेशन शुरू करते हैं किसी भी दूसरे इंसान से, तो हम पहले उसको विश करते हैं लाइक नमस्ते, मेरा नाम ये है, एंड आगे ऐसे. But when we have to do this in English, we initiate by saying like, hi, hello, I'm Satyam. I'm an HR specialized in training and coaching. I'm also running 2 YouTube channels, and I'm an MBA Silver Medalist graduate. I'm also a biotechnologist. I belong to a convent school with an ICSE background. I'm a die-hard fan of cars and I love to drive them, and hence I come up with my driving tutorial videos on my channel Satyam Vlogs on YouTube. I'm also a music lover. So you can proceed by saying such sentences, and you can tell about your passion, your likings, how you like to travel and explore new places, which kind of food do you like, what are the books that you like to read. So you can mention these things. So like I have mentioned a few points here, in similar manner you can prepare some 10 to 15 sentences about yourself, and then you can go on repeating those sentences to yourself. You can practice saying them in front of the mirror, or you can practice saying them to yourself anywhere, wherever you are, and till the time you are fluent enough with those sentences, you are confident enough with those sentences, and you are able to speak them with much fluency in a speed, you'll feel like, okay, yes, I'm able to speak so many sentences about myself so confidently. That means I can speak on any other topic. Now I just want to tell you one more thing. You see, I have highlighted this "and" in before HR and "and" before MBA. So we all know that "and" is used only before vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So why have I used "and" before MBA, which starts from M, and in front of HR, which starts from H? So these are the exceptions of using "and", and I'll be dealing with the exceptions and about a and the, that is the definite article, indefinite article, in my coming up videos, and you will get to know what are the exceptions to the rules. So I just thought like stopping in between and telling you all about this thing. So I'll be dealing this in another of my video. So for now, what you have to do, you have to prepare 10 to 15 sentences about yourself, and then you have to practice that again and again till the level you have gained fluency, you have gained the speed, until the level you have gained confidence that yes, I am speaking perfectly and I'll be able to speak with the same confidence in front of any other person that I get to talk to, in front of the my entire classroom or entire audience that I face, or in front of the interviewers or my teachers or my professors or my colleagues, anywhere I can speak this fluently. You have to practice till that level. So with this, I come to the end of today's video. I hope you all understood those 5 new English words which I told you, and I hope you all understood how you have to initiate conversation in English with any other person. So if you have any doubts, any confusions, any queries related to today's video, please post that in the comment section. I'll look into them individually as I do for my driving tutorial video on my channel Satyam Vlogs, and I'll be looking onto each of your doubts. I'll be answering them. If you have any other video suggestions where you want to learn any particular topic in English from me, you can even post that. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe, and please do not forget to hit the bell icon to be notified any further. Hit a like if you like the content, and share the video with all those who need it. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching, keep smiling, keep practicing. Bye bye. Take care.